affect anything as far as the type of distress, as long as you know what you're looking at when you see it. Notice no cracking on this. The rutting, as we've talked about before, averages or appears to average to be around a tenth or so, maybe up to 15/100ths. The highest that was measured was 2/10 at any location. You can see some spots here where it's a little bit darker. Notice two places along here that were like that. It's not flush to the point of affecting the friction at the surface. However, it does appear that the mix was a little bit oily, I guess, in a couple of locations. Can't tell if that's in the friction course or if it's coming up from the Type S1 layer underneath. Get up again around station 4 plus 50. See our cotton spindles driven in here into the paved shoulder and painted with white paint. Oh, you can see some of the base material over here, this side of the auger. Predominantly sand, some coarse particles mixed in. And up over there you can see the sub-base and the subgrade, which is predominantly sand again. And here's our base material. That would be best classified as a gravelly sand, non-plastic.
3 inches of asphalt.
Total of about 3 inches of asphalt concrete, which includes a friction course, which is around 6/10 of an inch thick.
$12.5.
12.5 inches of base material. Try to clean off this stone here, and you can see pretty much the same thing as I was describing before. A lot of silica included in it. 12.5 inches of sub-base here, which is predominantly sand with some rock mixed into it. See, this is cemented coquina. If I didn't pick that up before, I don't think I had the record light on. It's about 12 inches thick. This is a broken piece of aggregate, and you can see the siliceous particles. It's a very light material. Beginning of the test section, 124107. I think what I'll do now is show one of the landmarks and maybe get right up close with it. I think that the viewer will enjoy this. You know, it's kind of tough in February when you got to work in the morning and it's probably in the mid to upper 70s outside. What is tough is when you have to turn around and look here at the ripe oranges on the tree here. I'm going to be tempted to run over there and grab one of those. I probably won't do it. I'll get in trouble. This ends the video for test section 124107. Let's see, 9-4. We're about 5 miles to the west of Fort Pierce, Florida, on State Road 70.